Hey YouTube, I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. So in today's video, we're going to make an affordable breakfast that we're going to be able to keep for long-term storage. And I say affordable now because the way prices are going, they're going up and they're just going to get worse. So we're going to go ahead and start making these breakfasts. This is our first run on this style breakfast. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can see how the end product is. I took some same portion, weighed it, put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to take the same amount that I have weighed out in my portions in the freeze dryer, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison, see how it turns out. Okay, so with a little bit of movie magic, voila. So these are 3.5 ounce portions in each square that I weighed out. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these stored away in Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers. And I'm going to leave one of them out. I'm going to get it reconstituted, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison and a taste test. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video, and let's see how this turns out. Okay, so I have my portions put in the Mylar bags, and these are little smaller bags by Wallaby. I'm going to put a link in the description below. I got these at Amazon. I'm going to get my oxygen absorbers, and you'll be able to hear this. That's the seal being broke. I want to put this lid back on. If you keep your oxygen absorbers in a mason jar, you'll be able to keep them a lot longer. They won't. I'll go ahead and get these closed up with an impulse sealer. Some people asked, what do you do if you don't have an impulse sealer? So we've been using Mylar bags for years, and we just use a flat iron. I did a video on it. I'll put a link to that video. It's here in the end card. It works just as good as this. This just happened to come with the freeze dryer. We bought one of these before. It was horrible. We sent it back and wanted our money back, and we just used the flat iron. This one we got with our Harvest Right machine seems to work great. So I'm going to go ahead and get these all sealed up. Okay, so I have my freeze-dried eggs right here, or my freeze-dried breakfast. I'm going to put it in this bowl. I'm going to add hot water to it and then cover it. We're going to let this reconstitute. Okay, so the eggs are done. This one is the freeze-dried one, and this is the one that I cooked and put in the refrigerator. They're the same weight. This looks, I think I may have added a little bit too much water to reconstitute it, but I'm going to go ahead and put them on the plate side by side, and we're going to see how it turns out. Okay, so I have them both plated up, and we're going to go ahead and give this a taste. So here we go. This is what I made on, or that I put in the refrigerator after I made it. This one right here is the one that I freeze dried. We'll go ahead and give it a taste. Good, tastes like the day I made it. Tastes exactly the same. I'm going to give this a thumbs up. If you have a freeze dryer and you want to have pre-made breakfasts that you can make. The price of eggs are going up. We have this bird flu going on. Get your eggs. If you can freeze dry them, do it. If not, you can take your eggs, you can beat them, and you can put them in the ice maker trays that we used to have when we were kids. Now everybody has ice makers, but you can put them in, pour them in those. Once they're frozen, take them out, get your vacuum sealer, and vacuum seal them, or store them best that you can. I mean, they're not going to taste like the day that if you crack the egg open and ate it, or used the freeze-dried eggs. But it's a way to store your eggs, and you know, we got to do all these things. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Hit the like button, share it with your friends if you find it useful, and subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos. I appreciate everybody who watches it. Y'all have an awesome day. AV Prepping out.